हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू एग्जामपुर। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। तो शाम के 5 बज चुके हैं और फ्राइडे आज। तो आज हम लोग नेपाल और इंडिया के रिलेशन हम लोग कंटिन्यू करने वाले हैं। कल हम लोग हाफ छोड़ दिए थे, लेकिन आज कोशिश करेंगे कि आज पूरा ये नेपाल इंडिया रिलेशन है पूरा कर दें। तो आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है सबसे पहले कि आप सेशन को ज्वाइन कर लें, क्योंकि 5 बज चुके हैं और 5 बजे आपकी मैगजीन क्लास होती है डेली बेसिस पर। और इसमें हम लोग योजना मैगजीन वर्ल्ड फोकस मैगजीन हम लोग कवर कर रहे हैं। और ये आपका जो मंथ है ये आपका सितंबर मंथ का है, और इसके बाद जो हम लोग कंप्लीट स्टार्ट करेंगे वो योजना मैगजीन करेंगे, या फिर वर्ल्ड फोकस का हम लोग अक्टूबर मंथ का जो मैगजीन है वो हम लोग स्टार्ट करेंगे। अक्टूबर मंथ में क्या थीम होगा, ये अलग ही थीम होगा, क्योंकि वर्ल्ड फोकस है तो इसमें कहीं कहीं इसमें इंडिया और नेबर्स बात कर रहे हैं। लेकिन जो नेक्स्ट जो मंथ होगा इसमें कुछ और भी पोर्शन होंगे, कुछ और भी आपके वैश्विक जो समस्या है इसके रिगार्डिंग कुछ आपके आर्टिकल्स आएंगे या मैगजीन में पब्लिश होंगे, ये बात करेंगे। ठीक है, तो आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि सेशन को ज्वाइन कर लेंगे और सेशन को शेयर भी कर देंगे। देखना लाइव है क्या? लाइव ही नहीं है। लाइव नहीं है, लाइव नहीं है। कौन सा बंद नहीं है बताइए यार। दिमाग खराब है जो ये सीट बनाई है ना। एक मिनट रुको जरा, वैसे डालता हूँ मैं इसमें। यार सीटों का काम होता है। संजीव सर, कॉपी। या तो ये वो तो लाइव पे नहीं है क्लास। आई तो थे भी। वो छोड़ ही नहीं रही वो, तभी तो लाइव हो प्रीव्यू है।
Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. Because of some technical issues, there was a wrong connection. I hope you enjoyed that part as well. So now join me in this advanced math part 4 session for upcoming Ssc Cgl examination. How are you guys? Just do let me know how are you. Very good evening Vinod, Shrevani. Okay, yeah, because of some technical issues, there was a connection. So kindly do join, and once you join, please do not forget to let me know by your comments as well. And please do the sharings of the session as well before we begin some more interesting advanced math problems. Just to scroll a bit. Okay, so it's a terrible journey. It's a tremendous journey we are going to begin. Let's move on. This is the schedule for today, which is running. I'm here in the 5 to 7. After my, there is 7 to 10 Devinder Sir Static GK Marathons class. Static GK Marathon class. There are some observations, guys, what I made. You know, a lot of content, guys, these days of CGL 2019, 2020 and 2021 I'm going through. So observation is guys from advanced portion and from arithmetic portion there is going to be an equal divide. According to the new situations, the arithmetic and the advanced is going to give you the equal divide. So if you talk about the 4 topics, number system, geometry, trigo and algebra, you will get 12 questions from here. You will get 12 questions from here. Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Harika and all. If you talk about the arithmetic portion, arithmetic involves all topic, percentage, ratios, averages, and all TSD, TW, mixture allegations, and DI. It will give you 13 problems. So it's a neck to neck, guys. It's a neck to neck. Earlier in pre, arithmetic was more, but for the past 2 years, it's neck to neck. It is neck to neck. So if I include number system along with geometry, trigo, and mensuration, it is becoming neck to neck. Okay. Good evening, Harika, Shrivani, Charlie, Harish, Vinod, and all. Please do the sharings, guys. Please do the sharings. Please do the sharing so that others can also join us in the meantime. I have seen its internal division as well. I've seen its internal division as well. Number system 1 or 2, geometry 2 to 3, trigonometry 2 to 3, algebra 2 to 3. Okay. Mensuration also 9 plus 2, 11, 1 to 2. Okay. So this is the internal division. According to the lower limit, 8. According to the higher limit, it's 6 plus 2, 11 plus 2, 13. Okay. So near about 11 and 12. Near about 11 and 12. Hello, Sanjeev. Just a moment. Just a moment. Chalo, let's begin. Let's begin, dear. Please keep on sharing, guys. Please keep on sharing. We are trying to put very, very highly dedicated efforts. What is the difference between the square? Hello, Vipin. Difference between the square of the greatest value and the smallest value of the p if the number is divisible by 3. If the number is divisible by 3, avoid 9. 6 plus 3, avoid 9. So it is 5 plus 2, 7 plus p should be divisible by 3. 7 plus p should be divisible by 3. What is the smallest value? The smallest value is 2. Then they will come in the AP of 3. Then 5. Then 8. Smallest value 2, largest value 8. Smallest value 2, largest value 8. They will come in a series of 3, in an arithmetic progression of 3. They will come in an arithmetic progression of 3. 2, 5, 8. Square of the greatest value 8 is square. Minus square of the smallest value 2 is square. 64 minus 4, 60. Some innovative questions of number system is also coming. Yesterday also we have seen 1 or 2. Yesterday also we have seen 1 or 2, and today as well we are going to see 1 or 2 innovative questions of number system. Increase the pace. Today it is 2020 and 2021 only. All questions are from 2020 and 2021 only. Base increase by 40. Height should be increased so that area increases by 60. Suraj Dubey. You can apply the effective as well, because area of a triangle is half into base into height. Half into base into height. So area is proportional to base into height. So we can apply the effective formula as well. We can apply the effective formula as well, or we can apply the ratio as well. We can apply the effective formula or the ratio. I'm applying the effective. So area increase 60%, breadth increase 40%, height increase h 40 into h upon 100. What I applied, guys? I applied the effective formula. This minus this 20 is equal to h plus 2 by 5h. So 20 is equal to 7 by 5h. So h is 100 by 7, which is 14.28, 14.29%. 100 by 7 is a very, very famous number. We have seen it multiple times. 100 by 7 is a very, very famous number. We have seen it multiple times. 100 by 7 is 14.28%. 14.28% is the answer. Perfect. So paced up, guys. Session is paced up. Let's make it little bit more pacey. I think we can do it pretty easily. I'm beginning with you. I'm beginning with you, guys. I'm beginning with you. Okay, this is a very repeated pattern, guys. This is becoming a very repeated. Based on a triangle, this question is becoming very repeated. Okay, corresponding sides is in the ratio 5:8. Corresponding sides is in the ratio 5:8. So, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. And their corresponding side is in the ratio 5:8. So, their area 25:64. ADE ABC. ADE ABC area is 25:64. 8 ka square, 5 ka square. But ADE is given as 45. 25 is given as 45. What is the value of 64? 25 is given as 45. What is the value of 64 is your answer. You will say, sir, if 25 is 45, then 5 is 9 or 1 is 9 by 5. 1 is 9 by 5. So answer is 64 into 9 by 5. Which is 12.8 into 9. 12 into 9 is 108. And 8 into 9 is 72. So 115.2. Is it in the options? Anyone? Is it in the options, guys? Definitely, it has to be. It has to be. Perfect. Perfect. Let's space up a little bit more. Only value puttings. Only value puttings. Just do it fast, so that we can reach 40 today. We can reach 40 today. Should I leave? Left. Left. Some harsh decisions we have to take as well. So this is one of the harsh decisions we have to take to leave the non-conceptual question. To leave the non-conceptual question. Three equations, three variables, you can't assume the values. Three equations, three variables, you can't assume the values, you have to fully solve it. Every value is fixed. Three equations, three variables. Go for the fourth one, I think. Fourth identity, what I have written will do the wonders. Fourth identity, what I have written yesterday or maybe a day before yesterday will do the wonders, will give you the answer in a single step. Will give you the answer in the single step. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz is equal to x plus y plus z 3 times of x square plus y square plus z square minus x plus y plus z. This is the fourth way of writing the identity. This is the fourth way of writing the identity. Okay. I think apart from this equation, no extra information is required. Only writing this single equation is sufficient. Only writing this single equation is sufficient to give the answer. 913 minus 3xyz is equal to 7. 3 times of 85 minus 7 ka square. 913 minus 3xyz is equal to 7 times of 240, 255, 255 minus 49, 259. Oh, just, yeah. Oh, sorry. 259 minus 49. Thank you for reminding, Srivani. Thank you for reminding. Okay. So, 913 minus 3 times of xyz is equal to 7 by 2 into 206. So 103. So 913 minus 3 times of xyz is equal to 721. Take this 721 over here. So how much is remaining? How much is remaining? 79, 179, and 179 plus 13 is 192. So xyz is 64. What is the cube root of 64? 4. Well, question. Great one. What do you say? Yeah? Exam oriented. Good one, guys. Good one. You can't avoid it. You have to give this question full respect. Because it is asking for it. Solve me completely. The fourth way of writing the equation is this. There are 3 other ways. One was basic, one is difference, another is the most used, and this is the fourth one. Please keep on sharing and liking as well, guys. Please keep on sharing and liking. It is at most important to us. Yeah, please keep on sharing and liking. Cos a minus b root 3 by 2 means a minus b is 30. Cot 1 by root 3 for 60, guys. A plus b is 60. So I think a is 45, b is 15. A is 45, b is 15. A is 45, b is 15. So what is 2a minus 3b? So a is 45, b is 15. So 90 minus 45, 45. 45 is the answer. Ivan, Charlie, Shrivani, Harika, Harish, and Vipin. Correct answers. 5 correct answers. 6 correct answer. As Ganesh as well. Ivan, good evening. Very good evening, dear. Let's move on. 12 questions. Half the paper is going to come from here only. The half of the paper is going to come from Advanced Math 1, Advanced Math 2, Advanced Math 3, Advanced Math 4, and I will take the last Advanced Math 5. Half the paper is going to come from here. ठीक है? From the last 5 sessions, Advanced Math 1, Advanced Math 2, Advanced Math 3, Advanced Math 4, Advanced Math 5. What else you want? Divisible by 72. Divisible by 72 means divisible by 8 and 9 both. Divisible by 8 and 9 both. Only thing we need to take care is x should not be equal to y. Go for the divisibility of 8 first. Last 3 digits. If I take 0, 0, 6 not divisible by 4. If I take 1, 8 1 ja 8, 11, 8 1 ja 8, 36 not divisible. After 1 you will directly go for 3. After 1 you will directly go for 3. They comes in the alternate manner. So just go for 3. 9 1 ja 9. After that 13. 9 8 ja 56. Yeah, y is equal to 3 is satisfying. Y is equal to 3 is satisfying. So 9 4 x 2 9 3 6 should be divisible by 9 as well. For 9 we avoid 9. For 9 we avoid 9. X is again coming 3. X is again coming 3. But x should not be equal to y. But x should not be equal to y. Okay, I cannot take the next value because next multiple is 18 and for this it has to be 12 and a single digit number cannot be 12. So I will increase there. After 3, I know it. It would be 3 plus 4. What is 7? Because there is also a pattern. There is also a pattern. So 8 1 ja 8, 17, 8 2 ja 16, 8 2 ja 16. They also comes in the multiple of 4. Do you know, guys? They also comes in the multiple of 4. So now you will solve for y is equal to 7. Avoid 9, avoid 9, avoid 9, 10. What should we add it to 10 to make it a multiple of 9? It should be 8. X is 8, y is 7. X is 8, y is 7. So 2x plus 3y is so number system, guys, they are working a little bit. Examiner is a little bit working on the number system. So please be very focused. Watch out all the questions. If required, I will take a single session of number system as well, where I would discuss all the number system problems of the last 3 to 4 years. Okay. If required, guys, apart from this as well, I will take one more session of number system where I will discuss all the number system problems of the last 5 years CGL pre, where I will discuss all the number system problems of last 5 years pre. Okay. Let's move on. Okay, Ivan, for sure. Let this advanced math part 5 will end. Then after part 5, number system, time and work, time, speed, distance, averages, they all are in my radar. Number system, time and work, time, speed, distance, averages, they all are in my radar. And guys, do you know, to be very honest, since I'm getting 2 to 3 shifts per day on a typed basis, so individual sessions content is still not that, is still in the process. Yeah, still in the process. That is why I made mixed advanced math 5 sessions. Now I would be having a lot of content for topic wise as well, like number system averages, or you can say time and work, time, speed, distances. Okay, unique questions, unique. Always rational. Always rational means no surd. No surd here as well. No surd here as well. It should be without surd. Without surd only at theta is equal to 30 degree because it is 1 by 2. Without surd only at theta is equal to 30 degree. Without surd only at theta is equal to 30 degree because it is 1 by 2. Sin 30 1 by 2, 1 by 2 का square 1 by 4, cos 30 root 3 by 2, root 3 by is minus 3 by 4, sin 30 1 by 2 plus 2 is 0. Just check, is it satisfying or not? Just check, is it satisfying or not? Minus 2 by 4, minus 3 by 2 plus 2. So it's minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2 is minus 4 by 2 minus 2 plus 2. Yes, it's satisfying. So our guys, our throw cannot go wrong, guys. Our throw cannot go wrong. We take the game for 30 degree and it's satisfied. We take the game for 30 degree, guys, and it's satisfied. No quadratic equation solving required. No quadratic equation solving required, guys. This will prove to be a great step in 99% of the problems of this type. 99% problem of this type. 1 plus sec theta plus tan theta. Sec 30 is 2 by root 3 and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. 1 plus 3 by root 3 is 1 plus root 3. If examiner will watch out this, that we guys are doing this question like this, he would be like throwing his head on the stone and saying, oh my god, I thought it would be a quadratic, but what the students are doing these days, huh? He would be throwing his head on the stone saying, oh my god, what can I do now? If they are also not solving the quadratic, going for direct values, how can I avoid it now? How can I make them work hard? How can I make them work hard? Okay, let's move on. Keep on sharing and liking the sessions as well, guys. That is also the moral responsibility, guys, you have to take. Yeah, that is also the moral responsibility you have to take about sharing it with the others as well. PAX and PBX are the tangents drawn to the circle at the point A and B. PAX and PBX. PAX and PBX are drawn from the external point P. Q is any point on the circle such that QAX is, okay, such that QAX is 59. Take it over here so that it will remain in the range 59. This is called as, guys, scale to geometry. Means always assume the point considering the value of the angle. This is called as scale to geometry. What it is called as scale to geometry means rather than assuming Q here, you will assume K here, because if you assume here, it will become 120, 150, 180. Yeah? And QVY would be 72. That is also fine. New question, I think. New question. What is AQB theta? Tangent and a chord subtending 59. So chord will subtend same angle at any other point on the circumference 59. Tangent and a chord subtending 72. So this chord will subtend the same angle at any other point on the circumference. Triangle is complete, theta, you can get it. Triangle is complete, theta plus 72 plus 59 should be equal to 180. You can get to the answer. Alternate segment theorem. Alternate segment theorem. Whatever is the angle a tangent and the chord makes, the same angle is subtended by the chord at any other point on the circumference. Okay? Similarly, if a tangent and a chord is making 72, the same angle is going to be subtended by this chord at any other point on the circumference. Perfect? Perfect. New one. Next. Please switch off the AC. Okay. Area is in the ratio of the triangle 64:169. So side would be in the ratio under root 64 under root 169. That is 8:13. What they are asking? They are asking PR. PR. The corresponding side of PR is AC. The corresponding side of PR is AC. So I would be requiring the value of AC. I would be requiring the value of AC. AC is 16. So 8 is given as 16. So 13 is going to be 26. A easy question from similarity. A easy question from similarity. The corresponding side to PR is AC. The corresponding side to PR is AC, guys. The moment I lose a number over here, initially in one of the exams, I started drawing this cap. So the corresponding side of PR is AC. Because sometimes they can also give you ABC similar to QRP. Now you are in a habit of PQR. You are in a habit of PQR. Okay. If they will ask you QP, and you will automatically think, okay, QP is AB, but it is AC. Got my point? So once, guys, I got it marks over here. Okay. Next. Easier. We have done it. X center. We can skip it. We can skip it. This angle is 69 is equal to 90 minus angle P by 2. X center. This X center angle is equal to 90 minus P by 2. So P by 2 is becoming, angle P by 2 is becoming 90 minus 69, which you will take P by 2 as 21. So angle P as 42. Over and out. Over and out. The length of the shadow of a ground on a tall tree 45 meter is 15 root 3. Okay, for the height 45, the shadow is 15 root 3. What is the angle of elevation? What is the angle of elevation? So this tan theta is perpendicular upon base 3 by root 3 is root 3, 60 degree. Angle of elevation is 60 degree, guys. Angle of elevation is 60 degree. So whatever I find it easy, I just don't waste any time in it. Next. Don't see these numbers, yeah, because they are two different shifts. So don't see this number. Maintain a number if you want to maintain of your own. Maintain a number if you want to maintain of your own. Well done, cool. Well done. Let me have a sit. Okay. Sec. We cannot go for 90. Cosec, we cannot go for 0. Okay. 45, these two options will clash. 45, these two options will clash. Guys, I'm going for complete solving. You must have, I think, gone for complete solving as well. I'm going for complete solving, guys. I'm going for complete solving. Sec is 1 upon cos. Cosec is 1 upon sine. Sine square plus cos square 1 upon sine square cos square. So this is 1 upon sine theta cos theta. This complete is 1 upon sine theta cos theta. This complete value is 1 upon sine theta cos theta. It is sine theta upon 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta minus sine square theta. Sine theta gone. Sine theta gone. 1 upon cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. What is the role of this sine square theta now? What is the role of this sine square theta now? It has to be converted in cos square. Yeah, it has to be converted in cos square. I'm very, very positive. that this will reduce. I'm very, very positive that this will reduce. Yeah. From cos and cos square, you can take cos common and to get to the answer. From cos and cos square, you can take cos common and get to the answer. So it is 1 plus cos theta. Cos theta. Cos and cos square take cos common. So 1 plus cos theta. Perfect. Perfect. Why we have not gone for value putting? Why we have not gone for value putting? Because at 45 these two will clash, and at 45 these two will also clash, and also whenever the sec cosec is in the question, we cannot go for 0, 90. Whenever the sec and cosec is in the question, we cannot go for 0 and 90. So we have gone for complete solving, and with the complete solving we can get to our answer, and with the complete solving we can get to our answer. Whenever you are going for complete solving, always convert the problem into sine and cos. Whenever you are going for complete solving, always convert the problem into sine and cos. ACB is 105. ACB is 115. Really? Okay. ACB is 115. Draw to the scale, guys. Draw to the scale. O is joined to A. O is joined to A. O is joined to A. What is the measure of angle OAB? What is the measure of angle OAB? It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy, guys. Let's see why I'm saying this. If this is 115, what is this angle? This is 230. 230. But 230 is a reflex. But 230 is a reflex. I might have told you sometimes that we generally don't use the reflex angles unless it is said. So we will use the reflex of 230, that is 180 minus 230, that is how much? 150, na? Yeah, 150. Oh, sorry. 360 minus 230. 360 minus 230. 130. So this angle is basically now 130. This angle is basically 130. Now, center to circumference, radius, these two should be equal. Divide 50 into two equal parts, 25 each. For some of you, this would be a learning question. For some of you, this would be a learning question. Yeah. Those who are not that much comfortable with the concept of the reflex. Those who are not that much comfortable with the concept of reflex. We can never use, guys, reflex angle in the solving. We can never use reflex angle in the solving. If it is coming reflex, means the diagram what we made is different from the actual diagram. If it is coming reflex, it only means the diagram what we have made is different from the actual diagram. So if it was coming 230, if it was coming 230 on getting double, so I have to convert into its original angle. I have to convert into its original angle by subtracting from 360, which is 130. After 130, both are radius. After 130, both are radius. So other two angles should be equal to each other. Divide 50 into 2 equal parts, 25 each. Only Harika was correct, none else. It was a great learning one. Perfect. Perfect. Reflex. The concept of reflex. Any angle greater than 180 is reflex. Any angle greater than 180 is reflex. So if it comes sometimes reflex in the question, you have to convert into its original angle by subtracting from 360. Reflex angle denotes that whatever the diagram we have made is not the actual diagram. So we have to change it. It's looking pretty easy. X plus y का whole square minus 3 times of xy. 2 का square 4 minus 3 times of xy. For calculating xy, one more information is given. For calculating xy, one more information is given. xy is 5 by 9. xy is 5 by 9. Two times of 4 minus 5 by 3. 12 minus 5 is 7 by 3. 14 by 3 is the answer. 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 Guys, please do the sharings as well. Please do the sufficient sharing so that it would be a very, very interesting session. We can convert. Obviously, I can see some of you have done the sharings. Yeah. Okay, let's move on. Let's move on. So mensuration is coming pretty less. Only one odd question is coming. Only one odd question is coming after 15 odd problems. Yeah, after 15 odd problems. Can it would be a 42 square? It is looking like to me. It is looking like to me 42 ka square. 40 ka square is 1600. 41 unit digit of 1. 42 unit digit of 4. Yeah. The breadth of the rectangular is 1/3 of the side of the square. So breadth of the rectangular is 1/3 of the side of the square. Really? So breadth is 14. Breadth is 14. Length is 2 times of the breadth. Length is 28. What is the cost of leveling the park at 15 per meter square? Catch the problem from here. Catch the problem from here. Per meter square. Per meter square means unit of area. So you have to find out the area first. You have to find out the area first. So area is length into breadth for a rectangular field. 12 into 28. Okay. This is 12 into 14 into 14, 196 into 2. Which is about 392, I think so. Yeah, 392. Area is 392. Area is 392. The rate is 15 per meter square. So actual cost is area into rate. 392 into 15. 3920 into 10. 3920 into 10 plus half more. Half more is 1960. So 80. Answer. Oh, well done. Those who have given the answer, very, very well done. Those who have given the answer, very, very well done. Harika, S. Ganesh, Shrivani, Haris, Bipin, Ivan Jose, and everyone else. Commendable efforts, patience, perseverance, everything is there. Next. So today 2020 and 2021 shifts majority. Okay. Just take care of yourself. Just take care of yourself. I will advise do it completely. I will advise do it completely. Lot of things are there. My advice is do it completely. Sorry guys. Sorry. These values click to me while seeing the question. Sorry guys, value click to me while seeing the question. Yeah, it was not planned. It was coincidence. 5. So 7 minus 2 into 1. 7 का square 49. 1 का square 1. 53. So values are 7 and 1. Values are 7 and 1. Okay. It's a pure coincidence. It can happen to you as well. 7 का cube minus 8 times of 1 का cube. 343 minus 8. 335. Such coincidences, such things are good, guys. Sometimes they are very, very good. How does it clicked? How does it clicked? Okay, difference of 5. Obviously, 6 will, this square was also greater than 50. So 6 will not do. When you go for 7, then you have to keep it 1. So 7 ka square is 49. 1 ka square is 1. So it's 53. I can't promise it will always happen. But whenever it will happen, you will try, you have to go for it. Whenever it will happen, you have to go for it. But it will not always happen. Why? Because the values can be irrational as well. But since this is the values, only when the question is based over the integers, then you can go for it. Perfect. Next. The value of A is the coefficient of A. What is this? B and B square. कुछ error है. Chalo, first question of the day where I have to cross check. First question of the day, guys, where I have to cross check. No issues. इतना तो चलता है. No issues. However, if the point is looking to you, you can tell me so the time can be saved. If the point is looking to you, you can directly tell me so the time can be saved. I think Harika has observed the point. No, it's B only here. It's B only. Minus 8B minus 2B square. So it is correct. Okay, it's B only. So we have to solve it completely then. We have to solve it completely then. Okay. So take it over this side. A square minus 4B square plus C square plus 17 is equal to A square plus 4B square plus C square plus 17 is equal to. If you want to solve it, then 2 times of A minus 8B. If you want to write it in that form. If you want to write it in that form, guys. If you want to write it in that form. However, I will tell you the complete solving as well. I will tell you the complete solving as well. Now, value of A is the coefficient of A. A is 1. This is what? This is minus 2B ka square. This is what? Minus 2B ka square. So value of minus 2B is the coefficient of minus 2B. And the minus coefficient of minus 2B is 4. And the coefficient of minus 2B is 4. So B is coming basically minus 2. There is no C over there. So value of C is 0. So value of C is 0. Value of C is 0. A cube 1 ka cube. B cube minus 2 ka cube. No, I think it's correct. Perfect, na? Everything is perfect. Okay. So coefficient of 2B is minus 4. Yeah. Coefficient of 2B is minus 4 and coefficient of C is 0. So A is 1, B is minus 2 and C is 0. A is 1, B is minus 2 and C is 0. So A ka cube minus 2 ka cube 0 ka cube. 1 minus 8 minus 7. However, guys, I will tell you the basic way as well. Because sometimes it's not that easy to always make it a trick. Sometimes it is always not that easy in the examination hall to make the trick. No worries, guys. After this step, you can do it by the basic as well. After this step, you can do it by basic as well. And I know that a lot of you have done it as well. A square plus 4b square plus c square plus 17 minus 2a plus 16b is equal to 0. Okay, plus 16b is equal to 0. So we will make a perfect square with a. So a square minus 2a plus 1 will make a perfect square. After 1, 16 is remaining. So 4b square plus 16b plus 16. This will also make a perfect square. And c square will remain alone. And c square will remain alone. So this is a minus 1 ka whole square. And this is 2b plus 4. This is 2b plus 4 ka whole square. And this is c square is equal to 0. A perfect square, any square minimum value is 0. Any square minimum value is 0. So this is also 0. A is equal to 1. This is also 0. B is equal to minus 2. And this is also 0. C is equal to 0. A is equal to 1. B is equal to minus 2. C is equal to 0. On putting the value 1 ka cube, minus 2 ka cube and 0 ka cube, answer comes out to be minus 7. Perfect. Guys, I want to skip this. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है इसमें कुछ नहीं होगा. I'm just getting an intuition. It would not be a new. D is a point on AB. E and F lies on BC. No, don't skip it. Don't skip it. Don't skip it. Something new is there. DF is parallel to AC. DF is parallel to AC. And DE is parallel to AF. We have done it once. Yeah, we have done it once. Only once. We have done it once, guys. Only once. So this division of AB into AD and DB is also in these parallel lines as well as also in these parallel lines. The division of AD and BD is also because of these two parallel lines and is also because of these two parallel lines. So AD over DB from one equation is equal to EF over you can say EF over BE, and from another equation this AD over DB is equal to CF over BF. It would be more than sufficient to give the answer. It would be more than sufficient to give the answer, yeah. EF is 6, BE is 4. EF is 6, BE is 4. Then BF is 10. So we will get CF. CF we are getting 15. CF we are getting 15. What is BC? 4 plus 6 plus 15. Innovative, guys. Little bit of innovative. No one has answered it. That's pretty, what do you say, surprising to know. It is pretty surprising to know that how anyone cannot answer this. It is pretty surprising to know, guys. Is it clear or not? Is it clear or not? Oh my God. What happened here? Clear, 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 clear. Chalo, let's move on. Why any one of you have not answered it? Why any one of you have not answered it? Have you skipped the concept? Well then, Divya. Have you skipped the concepts? Yes, this is the answer. Take a risk, yaar. Take a risk. Multiple of 11. Also, the base area was in the decimals. Also, the base area was in the decimals. In the volume, only the height multiplies after it, and only the height multiplies after it. So there is a huge probability of coming it in the decimals, and it has to be a, since curved surface area is also a multiple of 11, base area is also a multiple of 11, so you can say the volume should also be a multiple of 11. 8 minus 9 no, 4 minus 2 no, 8 minus 4 no, 7 plus 2 9 minus 9 yes, multiple of 11. Because volume of a cylinder is pi r square h, and pi is 22 by 7, and 22 by 7 it has a prime number of 11, so it has to be a multiple of 11. You can cross check, guys, you can cross check. Should I do it? Cross checking as well. The curved surface area is 2 pi RH. The curved surface area is 2 pi RH, and the base area is pi r square. And the base area is pi r square. 462 upon 346.5. H upon R is 231 over 346.5. Okay. And from one of the equation, you will find out R. From this equation, you will find out R, pi r square. And you can put the value of R over there. You will find out H. You will put the value of R over from here to there, and you can find out H. When you will solve it, you will get the value of h as well. When you solve it, you will get the value of h as well. And ultimately, guys, I'm very, very damn sure that the answer will come. Okay, just do it. It's only a step away. Seven. Hence proved. Hence proved. Only if, guys, you want to do it completely. Only if you want to do it completely. Otherwise, there was no requirement. Otherwise, there was no requirement. What is again some? Again some. Just a moment, guys. Just a moment. Just hold on. These are equal to. Everything is correct. Everything is correct. Everything is correct. Just one more check, guys, I should take. 2a plus b by 2 and 2a minus b by 2. Yeah. So, sine root 3 by 2 at 60 degree. So, 2a plus b by 2 is equal to 60 or 2a plus b is equal to 120. Cos is equal to root 3 by 2 at 30 degree. So 2a minus b by 2 is equal to 30, or you can say 2a minus b is 60. One equation, another equation. If this is 90 and this is 30, 90 plus 30, 120, and 90 minus 30 is 60. So 2a is 90. If 2a is 90 means a is 45. 2a is 90 means a is 45 and b is 30. Sine 45, 1 by root 2. Sine 45, 1 by root 2, sine 45, 1 by root 2. New innovatives is coming, however, new innovatives are still coming. I will just wind up the session in the next 10 minutes, okay? I will just wind up the session in the next 10 minutes. Okay, let's move on. New innovatives are still coming, guys, yeah? You cannot say, guys, that new innovatives are not coming. Something new, something innovative is still coming, guys, yeah? Even after the 4 sessions of advanced math. So just complete these 4 to 5 sessions of advanced math, guys. Then I will just create some more specific topic wise as well. Some more specific topic wise as well. Completely divisible by 88, 8 and 11. 8 and 11. 88 means 8 and 11. For 8, last 3 digit. Smallest possible value of n. Smallest possible value of n. Start from n is equal to 1. Is 148 divisible by 8? 8 1 ja 8. 68, no. After 1 you will go for 3. Alternates. After 1 you will go for 3. Or you can go for 2 as well. You can go for 2 as well. Because now 1 is not satisfying. Na? Alternate V goes when something satisfies. Yeah? Alternate V goes when something satisfied. So we will go for 2. We will go for 2. So 248. 8 3 ja 24. 8 1 ja 8. Yeah, 2 is satisfying. 2 is satisfying. 2 is satisfying. So the smallest possible value of n is 2. So 9m 2 3 6 5 2 4 8 should be divisible by 11 as well. Should be divisible by 11 as well. Should be divisible by 11 as well. Alternate plus minus. Alternate plus minus. Simplify them in steps. 8 minus 4, 4. Minus 5 plus 2, minus 3. Plus 6 minus 3 is a plus 3. Okay. It is 11 minus m. Simplify in steps, guys. Simplify in steps. 11 plus 4, 15 minus m should be divisible by 11. 15 minus m should be divisible by 11. M comes out to be 4. M comes out to be 4. So n is 2, m is 4. M is 2, n is 4. So m ka square is 4 ka square 16, n ka square 2 ka square 4, 64. So they were doing, guys, something they were doing in every questions. Now it is up to you how to tackle those questions. Yeah. They were doing some innovations. They were doing something changes every year. Now it is up to you, but majority the concept is same. So you still have a very good chance to score 23, 24, 25 out of 25 because only the way of asking can differ. The concept will not differ. The concept will not differ. Yeah, only just the appearance will differ. Appearance will differ. I don't know the number. It can be more than this as well. Again, CGL 2021 for sure. Again, CGL 2021 for sure. Mn is equal to MP is equal to 16 root 5. Mn is equal to MP is equal to 16 root 5. Mn is equal to MP is equal to 16 root 5. In an isosceles triangle, when you draw a perpendicular, it is a perpendicular bisector as well. Okay. So, it is 8 and 8. Oh, this is that one. This is one of my favorite questions of 2017's. If anyone of you were in my classes at that point of time, you would have remembered it. How many of you remembered this question, guys? It has come after ages in front of mine. It has come in front of mine after ages, yeah. Obviously, this is not the diameter. Obviously, this is not the diameter. It can be any line. They are asking the radius of the circle. Radius of the circle means circumradius. They are asking the circumradius. They are asking the circumradius. And the original formula of circumradius is ABC upon 4 delta. The original formula of circumradius is ABC upon 4 delta. One side is 16 root 5, another is 16 root 5, and another is 16. ABC upon 4 delta. Delta means area of triangle. Half into base into height. Sixteen has no role, it will just get away. 16 has no role, it is just get away. Acha, 32, 16 and 16. Even 32 has no role. Even 32 has no role, it will get away. Okay. 16 root 5 into 16 root 5. First find out the height. Height is 16 root 5 ka square minus 16 ka square. Take 16 ka square common. Root 5 ka square is 5. 5 minus 1, 4. So 16 will come outside 2. 32 is the height. 32 is the height. ABC upon 4 delta. 16 root 5. 16 root 5 into C is 32 upon 4 delta. Delta is half into base into height. Greatest of the day so far? Guys, greatest of the day so far? Circumradius. Asking the circumradius is ABC upon 4 delta. So two sides are 16 root 5, 16 root 5, and the third side is 32. 4 delta. Delta is half into base into height. Base is 32, height is also 32. 16. 16, 16 gone. 4, 4 gone. 4, 30, 32 gone. So root 5 is 5. 5 into 4, 20. Wow. Wow. The moment I see this radius of the circle, I remember it. Huh? ABC upon 4 delta. So circumradius original formula is ABC upon 4 delta. And in radius original formula is what? Delta upon S. Delta upon S. Delta upon S. Delta upon S. Means area of triangle upon semi-perimeter. Area of triangle upon semi-perimeter. It's too high. Yeah, it's too high. Is everything looking proper? After a long time, guys. After a long time. 5 minus x by 5 minus 5 minus x minus 1 by 200 of 20 minus x is 0.08. Five minus x minus, wow, it is getting cancelled out. Great, 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 great. It is getting cancelled out, guys. It is getting cancelled out. So just multiply this 200 over there. So 2 decimals will get away with 2 zeros. 16. 36. Well done, Harish, Shrivani, Ganesh, Vipin. Different innovation is definitely there, guys. These sessions, what I've taken over 2020 and 2021 CGL, 2019, 2020, 2021 CGLs, definitely, guys, will help you out. Matlab, there is no doubt over that. There is no doubt over that, guys, that you will be a better aspirant by looking at these sessions rather than just preparing the in a that manner only. AB and CD are the two parallel chords on the same side of the diameter. AB and CD are the two parallel chords on the same side of diameter. CD is 18. Divide into two equal parts, 9 and 9. AB is 12, 6 and 6. The distance between the chords is 3. 3. Let's suppose this is X. This is also the radius. This is also the radius. You would have done it, guys, dear, once with me, maybe before. You might have done with me, guys, this question before. In this right angle triangle, we will say, sir, 6 square plus 3 plus x ka whole square is equal to r square. And from this right angle triangle, we will say, sir, 9 square plus x square is equal to r square. First, we will equate both the equation to get the value of x. First, we will equate both equations to get the value of x. So 6 ka square 36 plus 3 plus x ka square is 9 plus x square plus 6x is equal to 9 ka square 81 plus x square. The problem which you were thinking is x square quadratic will become is not more a problem. X is 6, I think. So 9 ka square 81, 6 ka square 36 is equal to r square. 117 is r square. R is root 117. Is it in the options? This can become. Because 3 ka square is 9 and 9 into 13 is 117. Guys, can I wind up the today's session over here only? Yeah, because till now I manage energy. If I take little bit more, then there would be again. Good evening, Mandhana. You joined too late. You joined too late. You should be watching it in the recording now. You should be watching it in the recording. Okay. So guys, I can take it today till today over here only. We'll continue in the Sunday. We'll continue on the Sunday, guys. We'll continue on the Sunday. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a great time. Please do not forget to like the session before going, guys, if you like it. Please don't forget to like the session before going, guys, only if you like it. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time. Bye-bye. Take care of yourself. Have a great time.